Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to take a look at a very cool Flypack that we just finished up. So this is a Flypack designed for a casino install. This is designed to live in a venue and basically just wheel around from various spots. Obviously the most striking feature of this particular case is the sunshade that's right here. This is a client request. These are going to be, these are actually 12U monitor compartments here. And they wanted to be able to have this sunshade, so A, they can use it outside, or B, if they're using this side stage at an event, you're not going to get a bunch of glare from the monitors. So an interesting feature of this particular unit is we're kind of using some greatest hits of LM here. We are using a position control hinge for these, but we're also using friction to help keep these doors in place. I'm sure the first thing that you're noticing is the big sag on the top of that. Well, that's actually like that on purpose so that we can use the tension of the panel to keep these side pieces in place. And the way that we do that is that there's actually a little notch here so that these can slide out of the way and fold up just like this. Again, sorry, we're doing some one-handed camera work here today. So these are position control hinges right here. This panel will stay wherever you want it to, but the interesting thing is the way that this locks. We've got a little locking mechanism right here. And a little notch in the panel, so all you have to do is bring this up and it locks right in. So the tension of the top portion keeps this nice and solid so that it won't get too floppy on you. And then also if somebody bumps it or anything like that, it won't come crashing down. So one of the interesting things, or one of the nice features about using a position control hinge, is there isn't any type of support needed to keep this up. So we keep tension on the side panels, that keeps the top panel up, but even if not, the position control hinges are are mounted in such a way that it aids you with moving this whole mechanism up and down. I'll show you a shot of me putting it together. I just can't do it one-handed. So looking at this, or looking at the monitor section, these are two 12U racks designed for Blackmagic rack mount monitors. We've got a nice fascia piece all around the side here, so you can't see any of the guts of the case with the monitor loaded. There's nice cable passages here, right in the center, and then to the left and right. The work surface is laminated with black Formica. And there is also a center drawer that is designed to be pulled out that has our normal multi-segment locking latches on it. So this is designed for a video mixer, or excuse me, a audio mixer and a video switcher. So very easy to operate, doing this one-handed. All you have to do is pull this center T-pin and the surface will come. It locks into various stages of output. It just has half-inch increments or so. Going down to the bottom here, we have dual 9-space racks. These are mounted in our adjustable pans. So you have fixed front rail positions in 6 different positions, and you have an adjustable slide track mid rail and an adjustable slide track rear rail. These racks are 26 inches deep. And on the front of the case here, we've got pocket doors. So the case is, although it has lids, it doesn't have any removable lids. So this is designed to be deployed very, very quickly. And now, if you will give me a second, I can reset my camera and show you the back of the case. All right, so looking at the back of the case here, starting with the lid, because this is a mobile system within a casino, the customer requested that all the cases of their system have stacking cups because they share a similar 48 by 30 OD. So all of the cases, trunks, or the video Flypack or anything like that can all stack interchangeably with each other. So looking down here at the back, this is behind the pull-out work surface. So these are dual 4U racks that are specifically designed for patch panels. So LM is not doing the patch panels on this particular project. the integrator was doing these, so they just asked for rear-mounted 4-space racks. So you can see that these are nicely framed with U-channel. Everything is very, very tight, nice and butted up against each other. So on the bottom here, this is the back of the rack sections. Again, this is a customer request. They didn't want a traditional lid or even pocket doors on the back. They just wanted these to be framed out with U-channel and opened up. So again, you know, all of our cases are custom built per order. We can build stuff like that however you would like. So we'll wrap up this quick video. I'll show you guys how the sunshade goes together.